Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to set up age verification pop-ups in your Shopify store. Age verification pop-ups are a vital tool for businesses selling age-restricted products like alcohol, tobacco, or adult content. By adding an age verification pop-up, you ensure that only legally eligible customers can purchase these products from your store. To get started, the first step is choosing an age verification app from the Shopify App Store. There are many apps available, both free and paid, that can help you implement this feature. Once you've selected the right app, the installation process is quick and straightforward. You'll need to follow the on-screen instructions, which typically involve clicking Install and granting the app permissions to access your store. Once installed, it's time to customize the pop-up. Most apps offer easy-to-use interfaces where you can adjust the appearance, message, and style of the pop-up. You can change the text to say whatever best suits your business, such as "You must be 21 or older to purchase," or something more specific to your products. The customization options usually allow you to tweak the colors, font, and even the button text to match your store's branding. Next, you can choose when the pop-up will appear. Some apps allow you to display the age verification pop-up as soon as a visitor lands on your site, while others allow it to appear before the customer accesses specific restricted products or pages. You can also set up the pop-up to disappear once the visitor confirms their age, ensuring that it doesn't disrupt the shopping experience. After setting up the pop-up, it's important to test it. Visit your store as a customer would and check that the pop-up functions properly, appears at the right time, and is easy to interact with. Make sure that users can easily confirm their age, and that the pop-up disappears once confirmed. Finally, ensure the age restrictions are set correctly, according to the legal requirements of your location. If you're selling internationally, some apps offer geo-targeting features, which allow you to adjust the age verification pop-up for customers based on their location. By the end of this process, you'll have an age verification system in place that helps protect your business from legal issues and ensures that you're selling age-restricted products responsibly. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.